Hey, I'm Alva, and today my family vlog is all about...
Achoo!
Yes, today it's all about my little brother Finn. You see, poor Finn has a terrible cold. Isn't that right?
Yes. Whoa! Come on!
The bad thing about having a cold is you feel really yucky. But the good part about being sick in this house is Dad gives you more screen time. Finn's playing a game on Kickbat. It's a super safe gaming site for kids.
Ooh, ooh.
Hey! Anyone need something to eat?
I'm fine, thanks, Dad.
A bag of jellies?
Nice try. Someone's definitely on the mend. You can have a fruit pot.
You know, Finn hasn't jumped on me all day. Kind of missed that. Who knew?
Oh, no! Alva, come see.
What is it? Uh-oh.
Ah, I was on the last level of Zap Runner 2.
What's up?
This.
Ugh, our virus protection software is out of date. We'd better update it quickly, or the tablet could get sick.
Really? The tablet could actually get sick. Mo, I think this needs a little trip. Mo, go, Gizmo! Good to see you.
Oh, hi, Alva.
You look tired.
I detect severely depleted energy levels. May I recommend a nap?
I absolutely would love a nap.
Why are you so exhausted?
It's those trolls.
Why am I not surprised? Oh, you'd better show me what they've been up to now.
Hop to it, Garth. It's your go again.
Can we stop? Sometime soon.
Yay!
I don't believe it.
Hey, Alva. So good to see you. Don't tell me you've changed your hair. Hey, Mo, pretty as ever.
The trolls. They're being nice?
Oh, yay! Hey, wanna come and dance?
I guess so.
Dancing is fun! I hate dancing!
Okay.
Well, shall we?
I had no idea you liked dancing.
Neither did I, until today. Okay, so my turn first.
Whew, you're good at this. I'm not sure I'll be able to keep up. Wow! Mayor Garth! Are you okay?
I'm not sure how much more hopping I can take.
Just why are the trolls so happy?
They're not. They have troll flu.
Troll flu?
Isn't this fun? Hop till you drop, Uli.
Ah, found it. Troll flu is a nasty bug that makes trolls act odd. Each year, they must eat plapberries to prevent it.
I wonder. Hey, Skater!
Hey!
Have you trolls taken your plapberries this year?
Blackberries taste like feet! No, do you think I should eat some?
Yeah. happy, sad, and everything in between. No wonder the Oolies are exhausted.
The Blobbos and Oolies will run out of energy if we don't help them.
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo.
Good morning, Mayor Garth.
I've just popped out to buy this Poochberry cup and hear the morning news.
Oh, yay! Oh, yay! There's a case of the sneasels in Gizmo.
The sneasels? That's not oolerific news at all.
What are the sneasels?
Well, the sneasels is a very contagious bug with one really big symptom. Oh.
According to my database, the sneasel's main symptom is a gigantic sneeze.
Thanks, Mo. I think I got it.
Oh. Town Crier, you must make sure everyone in Gizmo knows about the sneasels and that they must stay at home and turn on their Gizmotron contact tracing system.
Oh, yay! Oh, yay!
And they need to report any sneasel symptoms. I need to summon the Ooly Helper and figure out who I could have got the sneasels from. Oh, wait, that troll I bought the Poochberry cup from had the sniffles. Now, what sort of mischief should we get up to? Sneasels, stay away from me. What if I catch it? What if all of Trollum catches it? Who would bother the Oolies then?
No silly germ is going to make me stay at home. If you don't want to make mischief, I'll do it myself.
Achoo!
Ooly Helper here to help.
Ooly Helper, let me just...
Oh my, Mayor Garth. Some sneasel ankle weights will help you from flying off your feet.
Oh, that's better.
I don't know if humans can carry the sneasels, Alva, but you better wear a face mask to be sure. Mo, you won't catch sneasels as you're a machine.
Perhaps I should wear one regardless, just to set a good example.
Ew! What are you going to do with that?
This special Ooly Froom can create a cure from sneasel sneezes. The more different sneasel sneezes I get, the quicker the cure.
I just want to know what I can do to help everyone else in Gizmo not get sick, too.
A mask keeps you from being a spreader.
Phew.
And now you can be our first entry in the Gizmotron's contact tracer.
Oh, an Ooly Helper. This is not where I wanted to land.
Alva's world, fun is never fun.